Yo, what's up everybody? SlyDemon here. And I've got these just because I need a new set of gardening gloves and I can use them when I do build stuff. So I got the DEWALT gloves here. Quality wise, they're pretty damn good. A lot better than a lot of the other gloves I used to have. I'd still say my best set of gloves I ever had was my flight gloves in the Air Force, just because there was a solid leather strip here, which was awesome. As you see here, we have the padding here. We got the leather fabric here, so when you pick up stuff, and it's got the fabrics here. I would rather have one entire piece here. I think that's better, so when you pick up stuff, it's not cutting you like the leather would stop it. Let's see, it's got some rubber here, like if you accidentally hit something, which is nice. So say you're working in a tight space and let's say the wrench slips a lot, boom, you're protected. So they also got knuckle protection here and everything. So yeah, here are the gloves. I'll link them in the chat. But yeah, good quality. So gardening tool work. That's what I use them for. All right, thanks for watching. Have a good day, and please hit like, follow, subscribe. See ya.